Hello, honey.
All you have
Honey.
to do is call, and I'll be there. You got a friend. You got a friend. It's good to know you got a friend. Oh baby, you got a friend. Okay, dagang salamat po. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Kamsahamnida. Gamar tago sa mga sushi. Call you up, invest the time, and you say you belong to me. It is your mind, imagine how you can be so very fine.